Welcome back everyone. Now in this lecture we will learn how to use TradingView. A lot of students are asking me about how to select different tools, how to set a chart, how to find different indicators, etc. So in this lecture we will learn about all this, and for this obviously we need a TradingView account. You can also take any other platform that you like, but in the course I have used TradingView because TradingView is a global platform that allows you to access it in almost every country. So first of all, you will have to make an account on TradingView. So for this, go to my website jyotibansalanalysis.com, and here you will see charting. If you click on this tab charting, you will get your chart. This is your chart. So you can use this chart for analysis. You can analyze your chart here. For example, you can draw a trend line and you can use Fibonacci tool. From here you can use indicators and the stock screener. So you can analyze your chart here, but your data will not save on this chart on my website. For example, if you are drawing Fibonacci for any swing or you are drawing trend line, and the next time when you will open your chart, you won't get these drawings on your chart. So you have to draw all the drawings again your charts. So I will suggest you to make your account on TradingView platform. For this, simply click here and click on join now. You will see this page. This is TradingView page, and you have to make your account by giving your details here. And after signing up, you will have your account on TradingView platform. Use your genuine email because they will send you the activation code in your email, and by activating you will get your TradingView account. Now on TradingView you will get 4 choices. When you will log in TradingView, you will be logged in basic plan, that is a free plan. But in basic plan you will face so many problems. There are so many limitations with basic plan. Often my students ask me out of 4 plan which plan is suitable for them. So I will suggest you to go for Pro plan. You can compare all the plans here. In basic plan, you won't get customer support and you will get only 3 indicators to be applied on your chart, and so many features are not available in basic plan, and you will also get delayed data in basic plan. In this plan, you will get only 3 indicators. For example, if you are analyzing your chart and you have applied 3 moving averages, then you won't be able to apply any other indicator like Bollinger Band, RSI or MACD. But in Pro plan, you will get 5 indicators. So out of 4 plans, Pro is sufficient for you in the beginning, and for all these plans, you will also get 1 month free trial. So upgrade your plan for Pro, and after 1 month you can subscribe your plan, and Pro is sufficient for you. Now let's see how to use TradingView platform and how to use all the tools and indicators to analyze your chart. I have already signed up from my practice account. So this is TradingView. Here in the search box you can search any stock, commodity, currency pair. Let's search Apple Incorporation. And this is Apple Incorporation. The current price of the stock is $284. Then we will click on full featured chart because we want a chart in which we can analyze the stock. So if we click here, we will get our chart, and first of all drag it to left side because we want a sufficient space to analyze the chart, to draw trend line, etc. And this is buy and sell panel. Also drag this buy and sell panel wherever you want. I will place it here. Now this is the chart. Now here this is x-axis and this is y-axis. On x-axis you will get time scale, and on y-axis this is price scale. These are price and this is time period. So Apple Incorporation's current price is $284, and you can see this is the last candle and the closing of this candle is $284. So the current price of the stock is $284.03. You can manage zoom moving this price scale up and down. Similarly, you can move this time scale right and left. So in this way you can set your chart For example, if you want to draw support and resistance levels, then you can zoom out your chart and draw support and resistance level here, and also you can move up and down so that you can see the price action very clearly. Here are 3 buttons as well. This is plus, this is minus. Plus is for zoom in and minus is for zoom out. You can also click here to zoom in the chart, and if you click on minus, the chart will be zoom out. And in this way you can set your chart for different purposes. For example, to draw support and resistance level, you want to just zoom out your chart, and if you want to analyze only the current price action to see the current candles, then you can zoom in your chart from here, from plus sign, or you can manage your chart simply from here. Okay, now this was the chart. Let's understand about the tools and indicators. Now here, this is the symbol of the chart. You can change the symbol, so maybe you want to open any other chart. This is AAPL for Apple Incorporation. For example, if you want to open SDFC, then simply type SDFC. You will see so many stocks. So simply this is SDFC from NSE. Simply click on this and you will get your chart for SDFC Bank. You can see currently market is live. So this is 1 minute chart. You can see this is time frame 1 minute. If you click on this time frame, you will get so many options. You can choose 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 15 minute and 1 hour, and this is 1 day, 1 week and 1 month. Which chart should be chosen for which perspective, that I have explained in the course. Currently I am choosing 1 hour chart, and see, this is the 1 hour chart. It means this candle is showing the data for 1 hour. Now this is candlestick. These are the candlestick. This is candlestick chart, and if you click on other options, if you click on bars, you will get bars for each 1 hour data, and if you click on line, you will get a line chart. So there are so many options. This is Heikin-Ashi chart. About Heikin-Ashi chart you will learn in the course. So in the course I have used candlestick chart, so we will simply choose candles here, and this is our candlestick chart. Now these are the trading tools. So first of all, let's understand these trading tools. First is for mouse. We can choose cross, dot, arrow, mouse that we want here. You can see this is cross and my cursor is cross. If I choose arrow, then my cursor is showing in the shape of arrow. If I choose dot, then see this is dot, my cursor is in the shape of dot. And this icon is for trading tools. These are lines. This is trend line. This option is to draw trend line. And this is horizontal line. This is horizontal ray, vertical line, cross line, arrow. So many lines are there. So if we want to draw a trend line, we will simply click on this and click here and extend this to anywhere where we want. And then again, if we click, then this is our trend line. We can draw our trend line in this way, and then if we want to shift the trend line, simply click on this point and shift. Let's say I want to shift it at the low of this candle because I want to draw a trend line for this trend, and then by clicking on this point, B point, I can change the position of this B point. So in this way we can draw a trend line to the chart. And if we want to delete this trend line, simply click here and you will get this option here. This is remove. You can click here or simply delete from your keyboard. Similarly, you can draw horizontal line. If you click on horizontal line, this is horizontal line and this is horizontal ray. If you want to draw vertical line, simply click on this. This is your vertical ray. And if you want to choose parallel channel, simply click on this. This is your parallel channel, and then click on here. This is your parallel channel. And if you want to remove these tools, simply remove these. And you can also change color of these lines. Simply click on this. You will get so many options here. So this was remove option, and for changing the color of this line, you can change the color from here. Suppose you want to change the color of this line as red color. Now this is of red color and you can double click on this point. You will see this box in which you can choose the color. This is color, and you can change the thickness of this line. Simply click here on this line and you can change the thickness. For example, this is the thickness, then this is another line. So by choosing these lines, you can set the thickness of the lines. The next icon is pitchfork. In this icon, you will get so many options. These are different trading tools. Now, Fibonacci retracement is the most important tool out of these tools. I have used this tool in the course. So simply click on this if you want to apply Fibonacci tool to any of the swing, and click on here and then drag it to the high of this swing. Now these are the Fibonacci levels. This is our Fibonacci tool. You will learn later in the course about this tool, but here you will learn how to apply this tool. So in this way we can apply this tool, and if you want to change the setting of this tool, simply double click on this point. You will get this box in which you can change your settings. This is style. You can add or delete the levels. Also you can change the color, thickness of lines, etc. But default settings are the best. You do not need to change any of the settings in this tool. Now this is geometric shapes. This is brush. You can use brush here. This is rectangle. If you click on this, you can draw rectangle on your chart. For example, for drawing support and resistance zone, this tool will be helpful for you. For example, here, if you want to know the support and resistance zone, so this is our resistance zone here, and see, prices are taking support on this resistance zone, and then this was the uptrend. Now these are other geometrical shapes, and this is text. If you want to write something on chart, simply click on text and write something. Now this is the text, and these are other options. And this icon is for patterns. These are 5-point patterns that is used for harmonic patterns. If you want to draw different chart patterns on your chart, this is head and shoulder pattern. You can simply click on this pattern and draw head and shoulder pattern that you will learn in this course. So this is head and shoulder pattern. Similarly, you can choose any other pattern and draw it on your chart. This is ABCD pattern. This pattern is used for drawing different harmonic patterns like bat pattern, crab pattern, and butterfly pattern. And this is cipher pattern. This is also a harmonic pattern that I have explained in my chart pattern course. So these are different chart patterns. And then this option is for measurement tool. Suppose you want to make a long position, you want to buy a stock here because prices are taking support here. So you can use this tool to know your target point and to know your stop loss level. Suppose this is your stop loss level because this is the next support level. So you want to place your stop loss here, and if you want to set your target level at 1:2 risk to reward ratio, this is risk to reward, this is 2.5. So you can set it at 2. Now see, risk and reward ratio is 2. It means if you are buying the stock here at 2,352 rupees, then your target should be here at 2,394 rupees if you want to get a risk to reward ratio 1:2. So in this way, this tool is very helpful for us. And if we want to make a short position, if we want to sell the stock, then simply use this tool. Now this is stop loss level and this is target. We can set our risk to reward ratio by moving this up and down. Okay, then there are some more tools, but we don't need them. Currently, this is the most important tab. This is indicators. So if we want to apply different indicators on your chart, you should simply click here and you will get different indicators here, a list of so many indicators. There are built-in indicators, public library and other one. So if you want to choose any indicator, simply write the name of indicator here. Suppose you want to apply RSI indicator on your chart, type RSI and you will see relative strength index, that is RSI indicator. So simply click on this indicator and indicator will be applied on your chart. If you want to add the indicator in your favorite list, click on this star and this indicator will be added in your favorite list. So this is RSI indicator. You can add some more indicator in your list. Suppose you want to apply moving average set on your chart. This is moving average exponential, that is called EMA, and this is moving average, simple moving average. So if you want to add these two tools in your favorite list, simply click on star and see there are 3 indicators in your favorite list. So in this way you can add different indicators in your list, and if you want to apply any indicator on your chart, click on this and see RSI is automatically applied on your chart. This is price chart and this is indicator panel. You can adjust the width of this panel by dragging it up and down. See, if you want more area for your price chart, then you can simply drag it to down, and if you want more area for your indicator panel, then drag it up. You can also set the interface of your indicator by moving it up and down. For example, if you want to see 50 level, then set your indicator by clicking here. This is 50 and this is 70 level and this is 30 level. So in this way you can apply different indicators on your chart. Simply write here what indicator you want and click on that indicator. The indicator will be applied on your chart automatically. On Pro plan, you can apply 5 indicators on your chart at one time, and I think 5 indicators are sufficient for you to analyze a chart. Now this is price scale. When we draw a trend line, we need to change the settings of this price scale. So simply right click here and you will see this option. Now currently your chart has regular settings. To change the log scale settings, click here, logarithmic settings. Now these are log scale settings. We will know about log scale settings later in the course, and if you want regular settings, then you can choose regular settings. Now this is buy and sell panel. If you want to do paper trading, suppose here you want to buy the stock. Let me change. Okay, now this is time frame, and if you want to change the time frame, you can select any of these time frames and see there is a star for every time frame. So if you click on this star, then these time frames will be added in your upper panel. And suppose I want 3 more time frames in my favorite list. I'm choosing 15 minutes and I'm choosing 1 day and 1 week. See, all the time frames have been added in the upper panel in this tab. And suppose I want a 1 minute chart. Market is live, so if I want to buy this stock, then I will click on buy. Now I have to connect to paper trading, and this is my paper trading panel. So if I want to buy 100 shares of this bank, fill the quantity here and click on buy. Now see, 100 shares have been bought here in your paper trading account. How to use paper trading panel, that you will also learn in this course. There is a separate lecture on how to use paper trading account, but in this lecture I'm simply explaining you how to use different indicators and tools and how to set your charts, because so many students are getting confused while using TradingView platform. So in this way you can select different tools from here. You can select indicators here. You can change the time frame of your chart by choosing time frames from here. You can choose candles from here, and you can zoom in your chart and zoom out your chart from here. These are the options. Now here is the stock screener. How to use this screener, that I have also explained in the course. So there are so many options in this platform, and you can use all these options to analyze a chart. Now how to analyze your chart, how to use these tools, which tool should be used for which perspective, which trading perspective, that all we will learn in the course. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.